Okay, good morning, guys. Now let's look at the market for this morning and see what we are likely to see happen in the market this morning. So let's just do a bit of market structure. This is NZDUSD. Let's see where we might be looking to take a trade. So we see some structures that have formed. What we might do with this. Okay, so let's mark this up. Okay, so guys, what do we see? We see a structure right around here. See a structure right around here. Okay, see a structure right around here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is this. This is what we're going to be expecting to happen, guys. We're going to be expecting price to break this structure like this, retest the structure, and sell off. Okay, so that's what we're going to be expecting to see. And the first point we're likely to see will be price hitting this point. Once price breaks this point, which is likely to break, we will see again price hit this point for a retest and then a continued sell-off. All right, so that's what we are expecting to see this morning. We can see price already getting into the first structure, so we'll be waiting for that to break. London is very good. London is a good time to see a break here, so I'm sure we'll be seeing a break here as London opens, okay, or before London opens, whatever. But we're going to be watching that to see what price does there. Okay, once we see that break, we'll be looking for entry, and then we're good to go. Okay, guys. So that's for NZDUSD. Okay, let's check any other pairs that we might have. Okay, so this is Euro USD CHF. Okay, this USD CHF. Let's see if we'll see a trade in Euro USD CHF. Okay. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's remove these previous lines. Okay, so all right, so what do we see here? We see structure. Sorry, we see price hits this point, and then yes here. Then we go this way. Okay, so we see this. See this. We see this. Okay, so we see a sell-off to this structure, and then we see this happen. Okay, then this, and currently. Okay, so now what are we seeing here as well? So we're seeing We're seeing a structure here, somewhere around here. We're seeing a structure here. Okay, so we're seeing a structure there. Then we're seeing a structure here too, somewhere around here. Guys, we're seeing a structure somewhere around here as well. So what I'm going to be expecting now, guys, is close to the opposite of what we saw on NZDUSD. Something like this is going to be what we're going to be expecting to see now, guys. So we'll be seeing this price most likely breaking this point. Okay, then a retest and then a buy. Then a buy to this structure right here. Okay, so London is a good time to wait for that as well. So I think we're going to be seeing some kind of a buy trade here. When this breaks and gives us this kind of move, then of course we are looking for a buy. All right. So when we break this point again, when we break this point, we're going to be looking for another buy. We'll see a retest here. We'll see a retest here, and then we'll buy again all the way to this structure. So this is what I'm expecting to see, guys, on USDCHF. Okay, USDJPY. Look at USDJPY. USDJPY. Wow, USDJPY seems to be buying already. Okay, so what do we see there? Now this was something we did earlier, so we'll just look at the structure a little bit more again, see what we are seeing now. Okay. Okay, so what do we see? We see price pick up from here, and we'll see this. Okay. Okay, so we see that. Okay, you see that. And there's a bit of structure here too, but I'm thinking, okay, let's do that. Let's add it. Okay. So we see this. Okay, let's just go that way. We'll go straight up. Okay. So we'll see price come to this structure right here. Okay. Not much movement, so we're not going to draw several structures inside here. So we'll just do this. So we'll just go like this. So we'll do this. Okay, this. Okay, here. Currently we're seeing this. All right, so what do we see? Okay, now we have a previous structure around here. Okay, so actually we got a buy signal here because this is actually a structure right here. Let's look at this. So we have this structure actually right here. We have this. Okay, is what we have here. All right, so since at this structure already for a buy, we already got an engulfing candle, right? So we got a bullish engulfing this in the 4-hour chart. So this was actually a buy here. This was actually a buy here. But then we're expecting price to come to this structure. There's a structure here. Okay. There's a structure here. We're expecting price to buy up to this structure. So what we will do will depend on what we see at this structure. All right, guys. What we'll do is what we will do next will depend on what we see at this structure. If we see a break of this structure, then we will be buying. We'll be buying more. Okay, we are not in this trade yet, so we will hold on. If we see price break this structure, then we'll look to buy to this short, to this one up there. All right. So if it doesn't break it and gives us a pattern, a shooting star, an engulfing candle, and all that, then we'll probably be looking to sell. We'll probably be looking to sell down this way. We'll probably be looking to sell back here. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. But it's currently buying. Most likely we'll buy today because we're seeing a good, we're seeing a bullish structure on. I've seen a bullish structure on USDCHF, USDJPY, NZDUSD is about to sell. Okay, currently already selling, I think. Okay, so okay, so that's what we're expecting here. We're seeing some kind of a sell move on there already. So let's look at some other pairs and see what we're expecting to see. Okay, so now we have USDCAD. Okay, USDCAD seems like it's in a buy move already, buy upwards already. So we have a previous structure right here. Okay, we have a previous structure here, so as it most likely buy up to that structure. So we're just going to watch this. Okay, instead of watching it, let's see if we could have an opportunity for a trade. All right. Let's see if we could have an opportunity on the way up. Okay. So we have a structure. We have a structure here. Okay. Sorry guys, this is a bit of a mistake here. Okay. Okay. So we see this. Yeah. We see this. Okay. So now from what we see, it looks like we have some kind of a structure around here. Looks like we have a structure around here. Okay. Looks like we have a structure around here. So what we are seeing now is for us to trade this, we will need to see price on USD card. Price come back here for a retest, then we can enter for a buy all the way to this structure right here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at this morning. So we're seeing price break out of this already. So this structure, price has already broken it above. So we'll be looking for a retest around here for a buy. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at for this morning. Okay, so let's see what London brings. And by the close of this candle, maybe a couple of hours from now, we most likely will see something around that. Okay, so let's watch for that as USD card. Okay, let's see which other pair we have right here. Okay, okay, guys, it looks like we're having some issues with internet strength. Okay, so this is USD, that's GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD seems like it's going to be on a downward trend. Okay, so this structure, this was what we marked up yesterday. We looked at taking a trade up here when we see a pattern that tells us to sell. So I think we pattern a sell pattern of some sort on this engulfing candle. This was last night, price went up again, and price seems to be selling off right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to watch for, there's a structure here. Okay, there's a structure here right now. So um, okay, this is how the structure is. This is how the structure is. Okay, so okay, all right. So that's there's a structure right here. Goes up like this, and it comes down, and it goes up, and this way, this way, and this way, and this way, and this way. All right. So we have a structure right there. So what I'm looking at for now is that for price to break this structure, retest and sell, retest and sell. Okay, probably up to down this structure. All right. So guys, these are the trades I'm looking at this morning. So look at them also and then pick out one or two things you can trade with on them this morning. Okay, market structure can really help us in analyzing the market better and get good entries. So look at these trades, pick the points where I marked out, and then you can take trades from those points. All right, have a nice day, guys. See you on the next video.